Since our inception in 2006, we have always been looking to push the boundaries in technology at SLP to ensure the highest quality for our customers.
Hi, I am T. Venkat Harish. I am director at SLP Spinning Mills.
Power is the major challenge for spinning industry and its fixed cost. With increased competition from the suppliers across the globe, we have chosen solar as an alternative to reduce our fixed cost. Most of the local mills have chosen wind and solar power, but after reviewing all our options, we choose to invest in a solar that is renewable, stable, and to provide profits on our long term. We are fully committed to reducing our carbon footprints as a business.
This installation is very important for Dyneer Engineering Private Limited. SLPS has chosen us as an EPC. Though we have installed more than 1,000 plants across the country, this is the highest installation made by us with highest capacity FEMER inverter. We have worked with many FEMER products, but for the first time we have used the PVS 980 5 MVA inverter, which is the highest capacity inverter available in the market. This has made installation quite easy because it is modular. Operational and maintenance is also quite easy due to less components are involved in the project and installation. As we can able to tap auxiliary power from the inverter, external auxiliary transformer is not required. Fewer inverters are required to install in the plant. This has made our job easier. We have installed 8 megawatt DC. On average, we have observed 48,000 units in a day. We also observed that peak generation is 50,000 units in a single day. This displays the excellent workmanship and engineering.
SLP has chosen FEMER because of the excellent reputation of their products and the level of service. We also received several recommendations about FEMER from other mills while researching the perfect partner on this project.
Dyneer was delighted to work with FEMER's PVS 980 5 MVA inverter due to its reliability, redundancy, modularity, simplicity, and robustness, which ensured the purpose of the project and was completed in an efficient manner. FEMER's PVS 980 5 MVA is the perfect solution for SLP spinning mills due to its powerful output, which complemented the growing energy requirements of the facility. This product is pre-built with many components which usually need to be sourced separately. This not only saves on installation cost but also on ongoing maintenance cost. One of the key USP of the product is to run at reduced capacity in case part of an inverter needs repair. This maximizes the production without complete shutdown. With competitor products, if anything fails, power will completely shut down and result in significant downtime. Throughout this project, we faced challenge of global pandemic, which resulted in 3 months nationwide lockdown in India. All our team relied on public transport, which was suspended. Interstate movement was only allowed with government permit, which FEMER has to arrange. Working collaboratively with Dyneer and SLP, we have managed to overcome all these challenges to deliver the installation and commissioning, which resulted in on-time completion of the project.
This project is a complete success. We together could able to exceed the goal set before us. This has opened quite exciting opportunities for Dyneer Engineering Private Limited and also to FEMER.
This installation has delivered immediate results for SLP spinning mills. Our electricity costs are approximately down by 43% because of solar, and now 63% of the power is generated by our renewable energy. Investing in solar is helping us with our long-term sustainability plans. It also helps us to be in line with our policies to reduce our carbon footprints.